In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Meta Facebook pixel to your Godaddy website. Adding a Facebook pixel helps you track visitor activity, measure ad performance, and improve your marketing campaigns with better audience data. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official Godaddy website. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign In button near the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your Godaddy account credentials and log in to your dashboard. After signing in successfully, you'll have access to all your websites and products. From here, locate the My Product section and find the website where you want to install the Facebook pixel. Next, click the Edit Website button. This will open the Godaddy Website Builder editor where you can manage your website settings and integrations. Once the editor loads, look for the settings option usually located near the top right corner or inside the main menu. Click on Settings and then look for an option related to Meta Pixel, Facebook Pixel, tracking codes or marketing integrations depending on your current Godaddy layout. Now you'll need your Facebook Pixel ID. Open a new tab and head over to Meta Business Manager. Sign in to your Meta or Facebook business account and navigate to the Events Manager section. Inside Events Manager, create a new pixel if you don't already have one. Once the pixel is created, Meta will provide you with a unique pixel ID. Copy the pixel ID carefully. Now, return to your Godaddy website settings and paste the pixel ID into the designated Meta Pixel or Facebook Pixel field. Double-check the code to make sure there are no missing characters or spaces. After entering the pixel ID, click Save, Connect, or Apply changes depending on the settings page. Godaddy will now connect your website with the Facebook pixel. Once the setup is complete, the pixel will begin tracking visitor activity on your website and sending data back to your Meta Ads account. You can later use this information to track conversions, create custom audiences, and improve your advertising performance. And that's it. You've successfully added a Facebook pixel to your Godaddy website. Thanks for watching and goodbye.